In this video, we will show you how to check DNS on Bluehost. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So, let's begin. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to manage and access the zone editor. Now log in using your credentials, and these steps may vary depending on what type of account you are using. But right now, here's my dashboard, right? And you may see some pop-up prompting you to acknowledge that these are advanced settings and changing them comes with risk and a website related service. But you need to continue, right? And then when you log into your Bluehost account manager, click the domains tab here, okay? Located in the left side navigation menu. You need to scroll down to the V symbol, right? Right here. And expand the advanced tool section. Now, here, you will have the option to manage the following. The name servers, DNS, advanced DNS records. Just click manage next to advanced DNS records right here. You can see in the arrow. Right? And after doing so, if you wanted to modify existing DNS records, this is how you're gonna do it. All right. Under the manage advanced DNS records, click on the pencil icon. That's the edit button, by the way. Of course, simply what will happen is, enter any changes you wish to make on the required fields here, right? Click edit here, and of course, save changes, right? And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.